Napoleon and Lady Di, anything Marshall. You can't spell a mead but you know him. What are those birds made of? What's so good about them? To women, cooking is like horseback riding. You like it. You love it. It doesn't hurt. You can hop on a bus for $5, hop on a lawnmower for $5, hike somewhere in your walking boot, take a dancing lesson for $5, learn to play an instrument or two, just don't get shot, don't get eaten, don't get eviction notices, don't become addicted to tortillas, or gay porn, or too much guitar. Music is easy to learn and love as a chore, as a political statement. You play music for whatever drumming feels like weakness, nobody likes a weak part. But the body's a mass scratching at the skin. Teeth clench down and lock it down. Hearts clench at the center, who can't be tortured by more at the margins. Some dancing will linger on the air at the edges. The moon is bright, but shining straight, you don't want it to drop on your face. Strength is apparent, but contrainlation is needed, nobody takes a dive. You dance, you hum a little song, you boil over a pot of pasta with a torch, you take a selfie with a flaming eagle.